An Israeli grad student is gaining attention this week for his graduation project conceptualizing a crew of robotic foresters. Dubbed Forest Ranger Druids, the robots would operate in systems according to the forest needs. Chunk is responsible for sawing, pruning, and mowing. Dixon would plant seedlings and cuttings as needed. And Rico would gather and analyze data to monitor forest health. Researchers at Columbia University Creative Machines Lab recently demonstrated that lasers can be used to cook 3D printed chicken thoroughly with no adverse effects on taste. They found that blue lasers were better for cooking inside the chicken, while the infrared light was best for browning the surface. The laser-cooked food was more moist and shrank less than oven-broiled food, and 2 of the 2 taste testers in fact preferred it. And lastly, OpenAI has unveiled a new model that can summarize books of any length. Using a fine-tuned version of GPT-3, the model works by summarizing small sections of a book and then summarizing those summaries in a process they're calling recursive task decomposition. The project is an ongoing effort to provide a scalable solution to the alignment problem, the question of how to deploy a safe general-purpose AI by ensuring it acts in accordance with the human intention. Follow for more.